Progressive legal exercise number 1 at 80 words per minute. Be ready, 5 seconds to go. This appeal is directed against the judgment and order of the Delhi High Court by which it allowed the appeals of the two respondents, set aside the judgment and decree passed by the trial court, and permitted the appellants to file their written statements within 4 weeks from the date of the judgment, directing further that the trial court would then proceed with the suit and dispose it of in accordance with law. The appellant HDFC instituted a suit under Order 37 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 for realization of its dues against defendant number 1 and the two respondents who were the guarantors to the loan. According to the case of the appellant, plaintiff and defendant number 1, who was the owner of a plot of land, approached the appellant plaintiff for a loan for constructing a house on the plot. The loan was sanctioned. Defendant number 1 executed the loan agreement and a promissory note in favor of the appellant. In addition, defendant number 1 I also created inequitable mortgage in favor of the plaintiff by deposit the title deeds of the plot in question. The other two defendants respondents before this court stood guarantee for repayment of the loan and executed the letters of guarantee. On the execution of the necessary documents, the loan was disbursed to defendant number 1 in 2 installments. The loan amount along with interest at the rate of 15% annum was to be repaid